One of the benefits of working through the Learning Community website is that there is an area, when you are a member of a learning community, there is a shared discussion area. That's what this area is here. Now, the way this works is as part of your Google account, you have an application called Google Groups. And you can work within the Google application itself. You can sign in and go to Google Groups and work right out of this area, or you can work directly from the website. Now, this is a threaded discussion application. So if you want to email all members of the group in one fell swoop, you do not have to use this application at all. You can simply go into your email account and email to integrativehealth@fmec.net. Now that's the email address for this particular group. Each learning community has its own specialized email address. But for the purposes of this training, we're going to use Integrated Health as our example. So if you go to your email account, create an email, and email to that group, every group member will receive an email in his or her inbox in whatever email application they happen to be using. But that email will also be posted here as a post, as an actual post. When you come to this area and there are posts, you'll be able to reply to those posts, and ultimately what ends up happening is you have a true threaded discussion as opposed to just a string of emails that are going back and forth. You can, from this page, you can create a new topic, which is the same as posting. You can enter the subject. You can decide what type of post this is going to be, and you have several other options. Likewise, you can attach files. You have some ability to, you can create links and add images and those kinds of things. So there's a number of things that you can do here. Once you click on the post, then it will ultimately show up here where all the community members can read it. And once again, they can respond to it by replying to it. And all the replies are contained within the original post, so it keeps everything together. So when you're in here, you'll also have some other options. You have an Actions tab, and as you can see, there are lots of options in here. There's also a Filters tab. So you could filter all these posts based on relevancy, or if you were part of the discussion, or those kinds of things. So it's a very powerful area, and I think as members use this, they'll find that it's a great way of communicating back and forth in a fashion that is both productive and informative.